Hello, welcome to another Fun Friday. We're going to learn how to play Mercy by Duffy. This is a classic tune. I must admit, when I play this in a band, I actually have a second keyboard and I actually do string parts on it as well, which is particularly useful for the intro because it's instantly recognisable tune. Don't forget, if this is your kind of thing, like and subscribe is always appreciated. So I've got the notes up there. Remember, this isn't a piano tutorial. It's just the notes that I use on stage to remind me how to play it. You've sort of got to get a feel for it yourself. The main thing we're going to be doing is actually using a sort of blues scale for most of this when needed. The rest of the time, you actually play very little. Now, you can either go full orchestral string sort of way, but the way we arrange it is using an organ sound. So what you'll be doing is a lot of using the G blues scale. So what I'm doing here is rolling from the B flat onto the B. Then you're going to a C shape, but it's just going up the blues scale really. Leaving your thumb on the G, and then you're onto the G7 there. So G, D and F. Back down. That's your main riff. To start it all off, if you've got a cello or cello and double bass, even better to play this sound, the intro starts like this. That's just G, G, D, F, G, G. And then you're into doing the little bluesy riff. Then you get to the end of the intro and you can see it says it goes to a D and a C, and then in brackets I've got G A followed by B flat A. What does that mean? Well, it means we're playing a D in the left hand and the notes you are using in the right hand are G and A. Then you play C in the left hand, B flat and A in the right hand. Then your drummer gets involved and does the funky fill, and that leads you into the verse. So I'll do a shortened version of the intro, but essentially you are starting with into eventually you get to this bit. What you'll notice I did then was actually played an extra D at the top and then an E at the top, just to fill out the chord, make it feel a bit more like the original. Okay, onto the verse. This is actually very minimalistic from the keys point of view, because all you are doing is sort of accompanying the rhythm guitar. So it's a lot of... So I just play a G and then alternate with that E. Eventually you get to play a D and a C, but run down using the black notes in between. And you can, on that C if you want, put in a C7 by going from here to putting that B flat in at the top. And you can put that little run in with your finger as you're coming down, and you can run on run onto that A. Okay, there you go. That's the verse, and then the chorus is the same rhythm, but this time you're playing more notes. You're not doing the verse. You've got to get back into the... Then you go to the C blues, back to G. Then you got the run again. When it gets to the rapping part, if you're going to do that, personally, I just drop out on the keys. Really good fun song to learn. I hope that helps you if you want to learn to play it. Take a screenshot. Absolutely brilliant. Make your own notes from it. Whatever. Like and subscribe. Always appreciated. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.